Tori on the beat, Tori on the beat, Tori on the beat, Tori on the beat.
And now welcome to my dream room tour. So right now, this is my dream room tour. I'm going to have you guys start in the beginning of the room. So as you can see right over here, we have this clothing rack. And just so you guys know, each and every single one of these pieces will be linked down below, like to the best of my ability. So if you want any of these pieces, it's going to be a link. Okay, so I have this rack. I got it off of Amazon. I don't remember the names of all these, so I'm not going to worry about saying that. And I just want to let you guys know, when you build this, you got to do it precise or it's going to be wobbly. As you can see, mine does not wobble. And then for the setup right over here, I was thinking about getting a stool, but I was just like, you know what I mean? If I got a stool, it would not be comfortable. So then I came up with a director's chair. As you guys can see, it's what I use in each and every single one of the videos. And I think these two have a good contrast. It's going back and forth. As for right over here, I got this little fan off Amazon. I mean, it's pretty nice, but mine started squeaking after some time, unfortunately. I don't know if I just got like a bad one, so I don't have it rotating. And then right over here, this is probably like the coolest thing in my room. Shout out to my girlfriend behind the camera. She's the one who got me this. She knows that I'm not into crazy things on the wall, but like having CEasy, the brand, I think it was like the coolest thing ever. And I'm so glad that she got it. We got this off Etsy. I don't know if I'll be able to link it, but it's not hot. It's just like the LED one, so I can leave it running like as long as I want to. And now we have probably like the coolest table ever. Like, get this. Okay, so we're gonna stop it right here, but essentially it can go all the way up to right here. So if I wanted to like work and study, I could go ahead and basically do that. And on top of that, we have this crazy GTR gaming like racing chair. And I'm not gonna lie, like I've never went ahead and gotten a chair like this. But bro, this is the most comfortable chair I've ever like sat in. And I love it. On top of that, I could like lay it out and make it flat. So if I ever want a game on the TV behind, I can go ahead and do that. But essentially, as you guys can see, it has a good color contrast. This was pretty expensive. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This piece by itself wasn't, but this little power stand, it did cost a lot. But it's an investment and I'm gonna be able to use it like forever. And now we're gonna go over here. I got the mini fridge in my room. I'm not gonna lie, I got a lot of siblings, and if I leave my food in the fridge downstairs, they're gonna take all the food. So I mean, if we go ahead and just take a look at what's in my fridge, I got a few bottles of water. I got a grilled wrap. I'm gonna eat that for dinner. You know how we going. Healthy boys over here. And then we have like, you know, disinfectant wipes. And I got a little rack. Now we're here, we have the nightstand, but come ahead and zoom into this right over here. So this is the coolest thing. My girlfriend got this for me as well. Look at that. This is the coolest thing ever because I told her I wasn't really into like, you know, regular night lamps. So she was able to find this. On top of that, she has this holder. It can hold my phone. It keeps my Apple Watch and my AirPods. So it's just really, really cool. Shout out to our little baby Suki. And then if we go in here, she also, it's kind of messy. But if you can see, she got me this little organizer right over here to just better organize this drawer because I was just dumping my jewelry in there. And now for my mattress, right now, this one I'm having linked below. It's like this memory foam mattress, and on top of that, I have a memory foam topper. So, you know, it's a pretty soft mattress nonetheless. Now we're gonna work our way over here. Now this is where the pictures and stuff and the TikToks and everything is just elevated. We have this plant. I got it from at home. It literally took me forever because I was trying to look at Ikea. They didn't have what I was looking for. So I had to go ahead and work with this. And now we have the Ikea mom mirror. Like, I'm 5'11". As you guys can see, this has like almost a foot on my head. So for those of you guys who've been looking for a mirror, get it from Ikea. This one is really, really hard to get, so I would recommend ordering it online. But just this setup and everything, it's so nice, you know what I mean? You can come in, look at yourself, take pictures. And now we have, wait, my bad. This wasn't the mom mirror, it was actually the Hobbit. I'm getting it confused. This is the Hobbit mirror, okay? It's gonna be linked below. And now this is the mom dresser. So shout out to Vitaly for sending me these pieces. As you guys can go ahead and see, I was gonna get the 3-1, but my girl recommended me getting this one, and it's so nice, so useful. Also, I assembled all of these things. Shout out to Tio, he helped me with this TV. First time I had like a TV in my room, first time that I even have a TV on the wall, which is crazy. I think it's like a 44-inch, 43-inch. It's a really nice TV. Then we also have this little holder thing. Right now this has like my lotion, candles, and like miscellaneous items. But as you guys can see, like it's about to hold most of my cologne. I have a cologne video coming out. I have like 5 different type of colognes that you guys will go ahead and love. And again, guys, this is essentially my room tour, man. And I know you guys saw what this room looked like before, and just the fact that I'm even standing right here should be very motivational to you guys. And I just want to go ahead and let you guys know that like anything is possible as long as you're consistent, persistent, and you just really just don't give up. You know what I mean? Like, just look around. There was junk up to like right here, and look at what it was able to turn to in the end. Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of the video and watching the whole room reveal. Smash up the like button if you enjoy, and if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. Anyways, it's your boy Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.